हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A B C D A to Z. Let's learn colors name: red, orange, green, brown, pink, blue and black color. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for balloon. C for car. This is letter D. D for drum. Kids, this is letter E. E for eagle. Now we are tracing letter F. F for fish. Kids, this is letter G. G for God. Letter H. H for horse. H. This is letter I. I for ice cream. This is letter J. J for jaguar. Kids, this is letter K. K for kite. Kids, this is letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. This is letter N. O. O for octopus. Kids, this is letter P. P for parrot. Kids, this is letter Q. Q for queen. This is letter R. R for rose. Kids, this is letter S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. Kids, we are tracing letter U. U for unicorn. Kids, we are tracing letter V. V for van. This is letter W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. This is letter Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching.